How to add custom product add-ons on WooCommerce. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom product add-on on your WooCommerce website using WordPress. So what we're going to do today is basically I'm going to show you how you can customize your products more efficiently and have more like customization to them for your audience, for your customers to have a more better user experience. So basically a customized product is basically a product which has more customization to it. That means if you are selling a mug or if you're selling anything that is like, let's say it's a suit or something, and you can add some customization to it, like you can engrave or embroider their name on top of it or something like that. You can add that kind of customization to your product, and people will like to have something that is customized, that is made just for them. So it makes a good impact on the whole user experience. So when you're basically building a website, or when you are building a store or something, when you're actually trying to sell products, a lot of people try to get them more customized, but it's very difficult to have product customization onto your own website and to decide everything and to basically gather and organize everything. So it gets a little bit of hassle. So what I'm going to show you today are some easy ways you can do that and to have your product customization easily organized and handled by you using WooCommerce. So first of all, I have just as you can see, I have opened my WordPress here, and this is my WordPress website, and this is the plugin WooCommerce I've installed here. And now I'm going to basically add a product onto my WooCommerce, and then I will show you how you can add customization to the product. Okay, so I have added a product named mug into my products on WooCommerce. So now I need you to go to basically the plugins. This is the plugin here, and continue with an add new. Now we're going to basically install a plugin which will allow us to add customization to our products. So now I'm going to search add-on products. Okay, so from here you need to see that these are all the options that you have on add-on products. These are all the plugins that allow you flexible product fields, WooCommerce product add-ons, etc. This is the WooCommerce product page editor, advanced product fields, product add-ons for WooCommerce. So you basically need to find this by Studio Wombat, and it has 20,000 plus active installations, and this is a 5-star rated plugin, and it is last updated in 2 weeks. The key to find a good plugin is basically to see how many active installations does it have, and how many stars people have given it, and when is it last updated, because the more updated plugin will be, the more hassle free and more efficient and more smooth it will be. Because if it has any bugs in the previous time, or if people were facing any difficulty using it, for sure the makers and the engineers have now removed everything that was causing them trouble. So that's why it was updated. So an updated version of a plugin is very necessary when coming to using a plugin. So basically you need to find something that is good. So I'm just going to tell you guys, this is the plugin that I'm going to use because I know it's good. And if you're adding a product, you want to add product customization to on WooCommerce, this is the plugin you should use. So I'm just going to basically install now, and after it's done installing, I'm going to activate it. Okay, so after installing and basically activating the plugin, now you need to come on to this WooCommerce right here, and then you need to go into the product, and you are going to go into the all product. After coming onto the products here, you can see the product that I have shown you before. This is the product that I have added. So I'm just going to click on this product, and it will open up the page for me to edit the product description and the product details and everything. So I'm just going to drag it down, and as you can see, this is the name of the product, this is the permalink, and then I need to basically add media and add a contact form or something to to have my product, or add description of the product in this field, which is completely blank right now because I haven't edited anything. And now you see this is the option that we were searching for. This says custom fields. Before, this option was not available to us, but after installing the plugin, this is the option that we need to use to add customized fields into our product. So I'm just going to basically click on this custom fields here, and then these are all the options that are available to you. Add your first field, label position above the field, and instruction position. Where should the instructions be positioned? Where should the label be positioned in relation to the field? So I'm just going to basically above the field is good, and instruction position below the field or below the label or anything. I'm just going to basically below the field is good. And the mark required fields, add a symbol next to required fields if you want to make it yes. If it's a necessary symbol, then you need to make it yes. If it's not not a necessary symbol, then you can just make it no. And then change product image pro only. Should the product image change when the options are selected? If someone selects an option to customize the field, does the image of the product changes or not, you can just turn this on or off, but it is only available for the pro version only. So I'm just going to leave it like that. And then this was the basically field group layout settings. Now I need you to basically add your first field. Click on this here, and then you'll be able to add your first field. It says new field, and the type is, what type of field should this be? If you want to change it to text, number, email, select true, false, content, paragraph, file, upload data, and these are other things that are available for pro versions only. So I'm just going to basically text here. Label, what should be the new label be? I'm just going to say it engraving, because I'm going to provide engraving for the mugs on this customized field. So engraving, the instructions, for the instructions you can do anything. Instructions can be used to display extra information near the field. Keep it short. So add your text here. For example, if you are asking the audience to if they choose this field, then they should know what kind of thing that they can put into that square that you have provided. So add your text here will give them the idea that this is how their name or anything that they're trying to have engraved on the product will look like. So select yes if the field should require input from the user. Yes, it does, because if they will definitely give you the thing that they're going to get engraved on the mug. And then this is the default value, the preset value of the field when the page loads. This is the default value. This is the preset value of the field when the page loads and then appears within the input feed. This is the placeholder text. And then you have to basically adjust the pricing. Should the price of the product or cart change when the user interacts with this field? Yes, definitely. Flat fee, not quantity based. You cannot just, you can add other kind of options as well, but I'm going to go with this one. And you can add, extra $1 or $2 according to your own choice of the engraving or that the customization that you're providing. Repeat field on pro only. Should this field be repeated multiple times either by button or quantity input box? This is also available for pro version, so I'm just going to leave it. And the conditionals only show this field when conditional rules are true. You need at least 2 fields to create conditional rules, so I'm just going to leave it because we haven't created any 2 fields right now. It is just 1 field that I'm going to create right now. The wrapper attributes, if you need to add wrapper, then you can have the width and the class and everything, and you can just click on this button here and it will definitely add a field to your products. Okay, so as you can see, the engraving field that we have created right now is just right here. Now if you go on to your product, which is mug, you will be able to get this basically this field. You see this field coming up when you try to buy this product. So that, let me preview it too. Okay, so this is how your product looks like now. So I hope this brings us to the end of this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and I hope you found it informative enough. If you have any queries, just comment them down in the comment section below and I will try to get back to you guys. Keep watching my content. Until the next video, take care. Bye bye.